Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I decided to do my current everyday go-to look. This is what I've been doing for everyday kind of look. When I'm going to work, when I'm going to lunch, breakfast, movies, shopping especially. This is what I do. It's very easy and it's just like a glam look. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. And so first thing first, I am going to start with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, and this is the shade Ash Brown. Ever since I purchased this, I've been loving it so much, guys. It's just, the color is a perfect match, and plus it's really amazing, the quality of it. So I'm just gonna start from the center and I'm just gonna drag it down. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna like brush out the eyebrows. And next I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer and I'm just going to shape up the eyebrows just to give that little defined brows. I'm gonna be taking my Real Technique brush and just gonna like line it up in my brow bone just to make it look good. Go back with the Wet n Wild brush and then I'm just gonna like brush it just to even out the hair of my eyebrows. And off camera I'm gonna do the other eye just to get it over with it. Okay, so eyebrows are done, and now for the eyelid I'm just gonna add concealer of my Wet n Wild. And then I'm just gonna blend it with my beauty sponge. To set my eyes, I'm going to be taking my Rimmel London pressed powder, and this one is transparent. Apply foundation. I'm just gonna take my Bareminerals Infusion, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So I did add my skincare products every morning when I wake up, 7 in the morning. I always wash my face and then add my skincare products because I do want to look quite awake and then fresh and give me that some sort of energize. I'm just gonna take my LA foundation, I'm just gonna pump some on my hand, and then I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Because I do want that kind of like shine look in my face. And then I'm just gonna apply it on my forehead as well. And I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge and I'm just gonna spray my sponge. You know, I've been doing that really often now. It's just I like to give that face a little moist in my face, just more fresh and more energized. I don't know, more freshy, dewy look. So I'm just gonna blend everything with my Real Technique beauty sponge. and it just gives you that dewy look. I love it, especially for this time of month of March. Spring is coming up in March 20, and we want to look more freshy, more spring, get the vibes on, you know how that goes. So I'm just gonna blend, 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 and keep on blending. So far, I've been loving this foundation so much. It's just absolutely amazing, and it's just even without spraying my sponge or adding infusion products in my face, it just gives you that illuminating look. It's just absolutely gorgeous. That's the kind of look I like. But I just love it so much. Next, for concealer, I'm going to be using my Ulta Beauty concealer. This one's full coverage, like a concealer, and this is waterproof. And I got the shade, oh, there we go, Light Cool. And then I'm just gonna apply it under my under eyes, just to give that little awaken in my eyes, so my dark circles won't appear that much. And I'm just gonna keep applying. Just gonna apply it down the bridge of my nose. Oop, that was a crooked one. Oh well. And then I'm just gonna apply it on my chin. And I'm just gonna apply it on my forehead too, because why not? Gonna go back with my beauty sponge and just blend everything out. So far, I really like this concealer from Ulta, and their foundation is really good as well. It's more like a yellow tone, but honestly, I do have yellow tone in me, so it's like a perfect match. But either way, I really like it. So I'm gonna keep blending all the way in. Keep blending, blending. And then to set my under eyes and my whole entire face, I'm going to be going back with my Rimmel London Stain Matte. I know you guys been seeing me using this pressed powder. I've been loving this, so obsessed with it, as you can see. You know, let me know which other powders are great to use, because I have other powders and it's just not working out for me. But just leave comments down below which pressed powder or any powders for under eyes or to set your whole face, which powder is really good, because I do want to buy a new one, something that's worth to buy. It doesn't matter if it's drugstore, high-end, it does not matter to me. I just want a good product. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Butter bronzer, and ever since I purchased this, I've been loving this bad boy. It's just absolutely amazing, and it smells like coconut. So I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just going to set that and blend it, because I need some love and shyness. I'm gonna add some bronzer on top of my temple, just to give that look. And then just a little bit on my jawline, because even though I have a little tiny forehead, as you can see, I still want to bronze up the top of my temple, because I don't know why. It's really nice, and it's just, I want that look. For blush, I'm going to be taking my Tarte blush, and this one is Moment, and this one is the Double Duty blush. This is so pretty. This blush is absolutely stunning, and it also has some shimmer in it. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using my Tarte Exposed Highlight, and this one is absolutely stunning as well. I love it. I've been loving it so much, and it's just absolutely a beautiful highlight. And I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild brush. You know, I've been using the Wet n Wild brush for quite a while now, and I've been loving these brushes so much. So I'm just going to highlight above my cheekbone. This is so pretty. I love this so much. I don't know if it's me, but I always like to add a little bit extra of highlight all over my face because I like to shine. I like to be bright. Expose the highlight. And then down the bridge of my nose because why not? Yeah. Then on my forehead, center of my forehead, and then a little bit on my chin. For eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go back with my butter bronzer, and I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush from e.l.f. Blending brush. I'm just gonna take this product of the butter bronzer, and I'm just gonna apply it in my center, and that's all I'm gonna do for my everyday look and go to look. Now just keep going back and forth and you will get that kind of like look of it. Same thing with the other eye, just apply it as my transition shade and keep going back and forth. I'm also going to add the bronzer on bottom lash line. I'm just going to go back with my Tarte highlighter, and then I'm just going to add highlight on my top of my brow bone. And then I'm just going to apply it in my inner corners too. I'm going to add a little bit on the center of my eyelid just to like give that kind of like up and pop up a little bit and just give that sunshine in your face. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Clinque mascara, and this one is 01 Black. And I'm just gonna keep applying because I am not gonna apply eyeliner, so I'm just gonna add lots of coats until I get that really nice long beautiful lashes. So it might take me 8 hours just to apply more mascara, so I'll be right back. Next, for lip liner, I'm going to be taking my Innocence lip liner, and this one is Nude. And then next, I'm going to be taking my Ulta lipstick. This one is Coffee Break. It's more like a nude. It's a nude a nude color. There you go. And I'm just gonna apply it over of my lipstick. My lips been super dry lately, and this weather has been nuts. It's cold, the next day is hot, the next day is windy and raining, and I honestly don't know what's going on. Crazy lately. So I see why my lips are so dry. I'm going to be taking my next lipstick, and this one is the shade. Where are you? Shade. Doesn't say, but it's a nude color as well, but this one has more like a pinky tone in it, so I'm just gonna apply it all over on top of it. love this color. I know it's too much going on, the lip liner and the 2 lipsticks, but I feel like with the NYX it gets more moisturizer in my lips than the Ulta one. It's extra creamy lipstick, but I love it so much. So then the last thing, I'm going to set my whole entire face with the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Prime and correct and set. 3-in-1 bottle. And over it with the setting spray, like little dots that just appeared, and just like it won't look so like bummy. This one right here. Alright guys, so this is my current everyday go-to look. It's really easy kind of look. It's just I take the time to do my makeup, but also I don't want to take the effort to do so much, because honestly this is my go-to when I go shopping, when I go out to lunch or breakfast, or to work, especially when I'm not rushing but I do want to look somewhat nice and glam. This is what I normally do my makeup and when I have the time, but this is normally my go-to look when I'm going to the movies, when I'm going out to lunch, and it's just absolutely great look, and it's very freshy, very dewy, very nice looking. If you guys enjoy my video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you are new, welcome to the family, guys. So I'll see you guys next time, and have a beautiful blessing day. Bye guys.